In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money when trading through TradingView. The important thing to understand is that TradingView itself does not hold your funds. Instead, all deposits are handled directly through the broker you connect to TradingView. Here's how it works. Start by opening a chart in TradingView, then go to the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see a list of supported brokers. For example, if you want to use interactive brokers, simply click on their name and then select Connect. At this stage, you'll need to have an account with the broker you've chosen. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create it first. Once your broker account is active, log in using your credentials to link it to TradingView. Now, to actually deposit funds, you'll do this directly inside the broker's own platform, not inside TradingView. Each broker has its own deposit methods, such as bank transfer, debit card, or PayPal, and you'll find those options in the broker's funding or wallet section. After depositing money into your broker account, you'll be able to trade those funds directly on TradingView using the trading panel. And that's it. Depositing money happens through your broker, but once connected, you can manage trades seamlessly inside TradingView.